should students learn cloud before learning back-end fundamentals? Siguro, for me, it's not the other way around, but hindi naman need na cloud muna.
Yeah.
Correct.
'Di ba? Ano bang aim mo? Do you want to be a full stack developer? Then learn cloud and then back end, 'di ba? Kasi magano 'yun eh. It goes hand in hand, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Pero if you learn back end, definitely it is beneficial to learn cloud,
Yes.
'di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi siya interchangeable siya kung ano yung pinaka goal mo.
Mm.
Do you want to
Yeah.
learn how to architect systems? You can start with cloud. Coder ka ba? You can start with backend. Hindi naman necessarily mauna yung isa.
Mhm,
You
yeah.
have to define ano ba yung career na gusto mong tahakin, di ba? It's something na pakiramdaman lang yan eh. Ano bang pakiramdam mo ngayon? Ano pa? Ngayong araw ba cloud ba gusto